Okay, today we are talking about a simple way to clean your tools. So here at the top of the video, you can see the before picture on top and the after picture on bottom. I also clean these needle nose pliers. I'm going to clean these lineman's pliers here. Got a lot of surface rust. Using a simple product you probably have at home or in your break room at work, aluminum foil. Bucket of water. I'm going to dip the aluminum foil in the bucket of water and simply scrub the metal on these lineman pliers. And basically there's a reaction between the aluminum foil and the steel tool that will help remove the rust from the tool. And you can see already the dirty water dripping off the tool onto the white rag. You can also use aluminum foil and WD-40. That's what I'm going to do now. Great thing about using WD-40 is, yes, it'll clean the rust off like this, but it'll leave a thin film that will protect the metal into the future, and it will lubricate that pivot point inside the pliers. Woo! You could also try steel wool if you have some really bad rust spots on your tool. Again, you can see how black and dirty the rag is. You can see that on camera, but that's a lot better than it was. You can also use aluminum foil and distilled white vinegar to do this as well. So again, there's a before, there's the after. Now this hammer, I don't know if you can see on camera, it has a lot of surface rust. Same thing, just water and aluminum foil, and scrub it down for a minute or two. You can also use water and aluminum foil to scrub stainless steel parts. Now I'm going to use some WD-40 on this hammerhead, again with aluminum foil. So if you have stainless steel grab bars like at a swimming pool, a spa, or in a public restroom in a disabled person's stall, those stainless steel grab bars that are, if they got rust or corrosion, you can scrub them gently with aluminum foil and water, or aluminum foil and WD-40. It'll clean them right up. You can see this doesn't take very long. There's no harsh chemicals. You don't have sandpaper on hand. Aluminum foil is readily available, inexpensive. You can see it does a great job. Almost good as new. I hope this information helps you. Leave me a comment and let me know if you've tried this before yourself or if you have other ideas for cleaning tools. I also wanted to share this Practical Facilities Maintenance Handbook with you. It's available now on Amazon.com in paperback and ebook format. It has common facilities documents, labels, tags, common shop equipment drawings that you can fabricate your own shop equipment from, and lots of reference material such as HVAC reference material, electrical schematic symbols, plumbing symbols, welding symbols, troubleshooting steps, and more. Again, the link for this book is in the video description below. Also in the video description below is a link to this facilities store where you can buy coffee cups, hats, shirts, weather-resistant stickers. So if there's items around your facility or shop that you want to label, these stickers are a great alternative. Again, the link for this store is in the video description below. I hope it helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.